The challenges, actually, that's the biggest thrill for me. Every day's a different event, and that's what I look forward to. Business was actually idea in late 70s with my dad and another co-owner at the time. I was in high school then, and basically we got started laying field tile, and I've been there from the day one, you might say. So we worked daylight till dark, and he told us to enjoy it and make sure you did the job right. That was his big push, and that's what's got us where we're at. We just kept growing and getting more good people to work, and just kept reaching out to the next event, and have just continued that for the last 30 years. And to this day, we still try to find the best technology available and keep on moving forward. We are basically 90% municipality work. That's where you find the tougher work. That's what we thrive on, is the stuff that nobody else cares to deal with. We like the challenge, I guess. I have several employees that have the same feelings that we do. They want to give them the best work they can and not be goofing around all the time like I see on job sites anymore. The people see that, and they like what they see, and we go back time and time again to every customer. More than anything I can say is just amazing. I feel like there's stuff we do that we should be able to do that. Unbelievable. Some of the, we've made many river crossings. That we bored the Illinois River, and it was 1,200 feet. That was quite the sleep-losing event. And we went from sand to slop to rock it took a lot of thinking and going back and starting over, trying this and trying that, but we finally got everything mixed up right together, got her pulled through. We've had a few jobs that is like, a gift. Here's this big monster job we want you to do. We've had a couple of them that have really been an economic boost for us. We've got lucky there. That definitely made a difference in our work and our ability to buy new machines. We invest literally all of our money back into equipment. The directional drill that we actually got a hold of for the first time in the earlier 90s, it's pretty well a new tool, and that is taking us to new heights. We do a lot of work with the drill, and moved into the bigger machinery now and do a lot of large diameter jobs. Last I knew, we have around 60 pieces of equipment, and we literally have 2 of everything that we own, and it pays off to be able to keep your guys working all the time. Basically, we keep our old machine. We have kept our old machine over the years, so we have a backup when needed, and it happens a lot. And our stuff that we do use quite regularly, we have 2 of the same thing that operate every day. I mean, we've been around so long, all of our dealers know when something arrives new, we're going to want it. And they will notify us pretty quick, and usually if it's good, we'll own it.
For more Contractor of the Year videos, click the playlist on the screen now.